Hello friends, welcome to Coding Pirates YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see what is programming. Programming means instructing our computer to do some task for us. We will do programming using certain programming languages. So, what is the need of programming languages? Are you wondering about that? So, let us go deep into it. Programming language is like a language that we can use to communicate with our computer. Our computer can't understand English, Tamil, or Hindi, okay, or any other languages in the world. We should use the programming languages like Python, C, Java, C++. Um, we can communicate to the computer using these programming languages. So next, let us see what is a program. So what is a program? A program is a sequence of instructions that specifies how to perform a computation. The computation might be something mathematical such as solving a system of equations or finding the roots of a polynomial. It can also be symbolic computation such as searching and replacing text in a document, or something graphical like processing an image or playing a video. So this is what is this is the meaning of program. So what is Python? Python is a language that is developed using C programming by Guido van Rossum in 1970. It is a very useful programming language in field of data science especially. About the course, it is running on every weekend. Like in Saturday and Sunday we'll post the video on Python, and the next video we'll see how to install the Python VS Code and write the first program. So do you if you like this video, press on the bell icon and hit the subscribe button. Until then, keep coding.